This how to 1 minute will show you how to reset WordPress password without email. So if you're trying to log into your WordPress dashboard but you forgot your password, also you don't have access of your email address, don't worry. Follow these easy steps to recover your WordPress account username and password. First of all, you have to log into your cPanel and scroll down. Under database section, you have to open phpMyAdmin. And now you have to click on your website database. If you have multiple databases, follow these steps to find out the exact database. Go to your cPanel again and open File Manager. Now open your website directory and here search for wp-config.php file. So you have to edit this file. And here you will get your website database name. So my database name is this is my database. I'm clicking on it. And now here scroll down and search for users. Click on users. And here you will get the list of your WordPress current users. To reset any user, click on edit. And now from here you can easily update or change your WordPress login username and password. And scroll down and click on go, and that's it. This is how we can reset WordPress password from cPanel without email. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.